Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. You want some dessert? This this was a challenge. I let the surface of the pie dry out, and the minute I started putting the buttercream decorations on, it started drying moisture from the pie. This was a pain in the butt. Next time I'm gonna cut out fondant and make a face if I feel like doing this. Maybe I will. Anyway, I felt like decorating my pie with a monster face. This pie is a super easy, although a little bit of the crust broke off the edge. Um, Super easy. No bake, except for the crust. You bake the crust, and then you take some vanilla cook and serve pudding mix. I got mine from the health food store. I think it might work with Jello too, and I believe some flavors of Jello pudding mix are accidentally vegan. So basically all it is 2 cans of pumpkin. This is a deep 9-inch pan. Two cans of pumpkin, 2 boxes of the pudding mix. Basically you want to use 2 cups of liquid. So you add a little bit of plant milk to the cans of pumpkin to bring them up to 2 cups each. And then there are, let's see, I'll have the recipe, but there is some pumpkin pie spice in here too. And you whiz it all up in the blender. You cook it on the stove top, you pour it in, and you let it set. So, hang on. And I'm going to cut a slice. My poor pumpkin. I have a bad feeling about this that it has. I can rarely get my camera to actually do portrait. See how nice and creamy it is? It's good too. So happy Halloween, everybody. This recipe will be on my blog, and I will link to it in the description. I will also link to the previous video in the description. Regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I will see you later, guys.